The difference between fifth term and the fourth term of an arithmetic progression is 6, while the sum of the fifth term and the third term of an arithmetic progression is 16. Find the fifth and the fourth term of an arithmetic progression. So we are told that the difference between the fifth term, we say solution. The difference between the fifth term, A5, minus the fourth term, which is A4, the answer is 6. We are told again that the sum of the fifth term, and the third term is 16. So because we know the sum means addition and the difference means minus. So we can expand or define A5 by using the concept of arithmetic progression. We know that A5 is equal to A1 plus 4D minus A4. A4 means A1 plus 3D equals 6. I have decided to put the brackets because it is minus, and this minus has got effect for all these elements that I've written, A1 plus 3D. So I can continue by simplifying this one. This one will be A1 plus 4D minus, you multiply here, you open the bracket, you get A1 minus 3D is equal to 6. So A1 and A1 will be cancelled out because it is minus. Then I will remain with 4D minus 3D. 4D minus 3D, which is equal to 6. 4D minus 3D, I will remain with D, which is the common difference, which is 6. So, by using only the first equation, I have encountered that common difference is 6. But also remember, these were two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So if I have got the common difference, which is 6, then I must use the second equation so that I can manage to solve for the value of A1. Because in order to get A1, there is no other way other than involving equation number 2. Because if I decided to use the first equation, then I will not follow the good steps of calculating these equations. Therefore, we have to go direct to equation number 2 so that we can do the best in solving the value of A1. So here we will do on this form. That we have A5 plus A3 equals to 16. We know that A5 is equal to A1 plus 4D plus A1 plus 2D is equal to 16. But when you add A1 plus A1, you get 2A1 plus 6D is equal to 16. We have already got the value of D, which is 6. So we can substitute them. We can substitute here 6. This one will be 16. So we have 2A1 plus 36 is equal to 16. So 2A1 is equal to 16 minus 36. So we remain with 2a1 is equal to negative 20. I divide by 2, divide by 2, positive. So a1 will be equal to negative 10. a1 will be equal to negative 10. Since we have a1 and the common difference, now it is easier for us to solve for the values that we are asked to find. As you can remember, we were told to find the value of a5 and a3. a5 a5 is equal to a1 plus 4d. a5 is equal to a1 plus 4d, but a1 is equal to negative 10 plus 4 times d. d is 6. So this one will be negative 10 plus 24. Once we add, we remain with positive 14. So this is a5. Again, if we are told to find a3, this one will be equal to a1 plus 2d. But a1 is negative 10 plus 2 times d, which is 6. This will be equal to negative 10 plus 12. So I will get 2 positive. This is a3. Suppose you were told to find also maybe a4. a4. If we are told to find a4, this would be a1. A4 is equal to a1 plus 3d. This one will be equal to negative 10 plus 3 times 6. 3 times 6. So this one will be negative 10 plus 18. Negative 10 plus 18 will get positive 8. So this is a4. So things are so easy after identifying the common difference and a1. So a5 is 14, a3 is 2, a4 is 18. If we were told to find maybe three values, means a5, a3, and a4. If we were told only to find maybe a5, a3, so the answers are 14 and 2. Thank you very much.